Unwrapping the Indulgence Package, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you unlock the beauty of the English language. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts: the Indulgence Package. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and why it's more than just a treat for the senses. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love enriching your vocabulary, this video is tailored for you. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, indulgence package. At its core, this phrase combines two powerful words. Indulgence refers to the act of allowing oneself or others to enjoy something as a special pleasure. It's about granting permission to enjoy something luxurious or desirable, often considered unnecessary or extravagant. Package implies a bundle or a set of items, services, or arrangements, put together as one unit. When these words come together, an indulgence package typically refers to a carefully curated set of items or experiences designed to offer pleasure, relaxation, and luxury. It's about giving or receiving an extraordinary treat, wrapped up in a convenient, all-in-one bundle. The concept of an indulgence package isn't limited to a single context. It spans across various domains, each adding its unique flavor to what indulgence means. Here are a few places where the term might pop up: spa and wellness. Here, an indulgence package could include massages, facials, body treatments, and access to spa facilities, all designed to pamper and rejuvenate the body and mind. Travel and hospitality. In this realm, such a package might offer luxury accommodations, gourmet dining experiences, exclusive tours, or even private transportation, ensuring a memorable and lavish trip. Food and beverage. Think of a gourmet basket filled with fine wines, artisanal cheeses, chocolates, and other delicacies, all meant to satisfy the connoisseur's palate. Retail and services. From beauty products to personalized services, these indulgence packages are crafted to delight customers, offering them a taste of luxury and exclusivity. Understanding the phrase, indulgence package, is not just about adding a new term to your vocabulary. It's about grasping the culture and values it reflects. This phrase embodies the idea of treating oneself or others to something extraordinarily special. It highlights the importance of self-care, relaxation, and the joy of experiencing luxury, even in small doses. For learners of the English language, recognizing such phrases enriches communication skills and offers deeper insights into English-speaking culture's attitudes towards leisure and luxury. And that wraps up our journey into the luxurious world of the indulgence package. We hope this video has not only enlightened you on what the phrase means but also inspired you to maybe treat yourself or your loved ones to a little indulgence. English is a language full of intriguing expressions that reflect the nuances of life and culture, and we're here to explore them all with you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep indulging in the beauty of English.